Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at 5 of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best tennis racket for beginners. The Head T.S6 tennis racket is a lightweight and versatile racket designed to offer both power and control, making it ideal for recreational players and beginners looking to improve their game. Weighing just 8.9 ounces, 254 grams, strung, it provides a comfortable feel and easy maneuverability. The racket features a large head size, 115 square inches, for a larger sweet spot, which helps reduce the chance of mishits and increases power. The T.S6 is constructed with a combination of titanium and graphite, making it durable and responsive. The inclusion of titanium enhances its strength and provides excellent vibration dampening, resulting in a smoother feel during play. The racket's graphite construction contributes to its overall stability, ensuring consistent performance. One of the key highlights of the Head T.S6 is its oversized head and wide body frame, which helps generate additional power while maintaining control. The open string pattern, 16x19, allows for more spin and ball control, making it easier to hit topspin or slice shots. This racket also features Head's nanotechnology, which adds a layer of power and stability by distributing energy more efficiently through the frame. Its lightweight build and larger sweet spot make it an excellent choice for players looking for extra power without compromising control. The racket is strung, so it's ready to use straight out of the box, providing a hassle-free experience for players. Overall, the Head T.S6 tennis racket is an excellent option for beginners and intermediate players who want a forgiving and powerful racket that is easy to handle and provides a good balance between power, control, and comfort. Number 2. Best tennis racket for intermediate players. The Yonex E-Zone 107th Gen tennis racket is a versatile and high-performance racket designed to provide power, control, and comfort to players of various skill levels. The 7th generation of the E-Zone series builds upon its predecessors with refined technologies that enhance its overall playability. One of the key features of the E-Zone 107th Gen is its isometric head shape, which offers a larger sweet spot for improved forgiveness on off-center hits. This design provides more consistency, particularly for players who need extra confidence in their shots. The racket also incorporates vibration dampening mesh (VDM) in the handle, which reduces unwanted vibrations and enhances comfort, especially during longer rallies. The frame of the E-Zone 107th Gen is constructed using M40X carbon, a material that improves frame stability and power transfer, making it suitable for players who seek a balance between power and control. With a 100 square inch head and a 305 G unstrung weight, this racket is ideal for players who want a blend of maneuverability and stability. In terms of playability, the 16x19 string pattern offers a good mix of spin potential and control, allowing players to generate both pace and spin with ease. The length of 27 inches ensures traditional reach while maintaining easy maneuverability for fast swings. Overall, the Yonex E-Zone 107th Gen is a top choice for players seeking a reliable racket that delivers excellent power, comfort, and spin potential without sacrificing control. Its technological innovations and thoughtful design make it a solid option for intermediate to advanced players looking to elevate their game. Number 3. Best tennis racket for advanced players. The Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 is a high-performance tennis racket designed for advanced players seeking precision and control. This racket features a 98 square inch head size with a 16x19 string pattern, providing a blend of power and spin. The V9 version of the Blade series includes Wilson's cutting-edge technology, including the Feel Flex and Direct Connect handle, which enhances stability and improves feedback for players. It offers a solid response, especially for those who prefer a more controlled, flexible feel when striking the ball. The racket's unstrung weight is approximately 305 grams, with a balanced distribution to maintain control without compromising maneuverability. With a headlight balance, the Blade 98 offers excellent handling, allowing players to be quick at the net and effective from the baseline. The 305-gram weight provides a steady but not overly heavy feel, making it an ideal choice for players who want a balance between stability and responsiveness. The Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 is also constructed with an updated carbon fiber layup, increasing torsional stability and optimizing power without sacrificing control. The improved frame design allows for more consistent ball striking, enhancing comfort while reducing vibrations. The racket is available in grip sizes 1 to 4, making it customizable to suit various hand sizes. This racket is best suited for players with an aggressive, baseline-oriented game who appreciate control and feel, particularly those who can generate their own power. With its precise response, the Blade 98 V9 is a top choice for competitive players seeking to refine their skills. It is a versatile option that performs exceptionally well for players who prioritize accuracy and spin generation. Number 4. Best tennis racket for power. The Solinco Blackout 300 tennis racket is a versatile and high-performance option designed for players seeking a balance between power, control, and feel. With a 300G, 10.6 ounces, unstrung weight, it offers a solid and stable feel without being overly heavy, making it suitable for a wide range of players, from intermediate to advanced levels. The racket's 98 square inch head size provides a good combination of control and power, offering enough forgiveness for off-center hits while maintaining precision. The Blackout 300 features a thin beam design, which enhances its maneuverability and gives a crisp response, especially on ground strokes. Its 16x19 string pattern allows for excellent spin potential, making it ideal for players who like to generate heavy topspin. The racket's graphite construction provides a solid and responsive feel, and its stiff frame contributes to a lively, powerful shot while reducing vibrations for added comfort. The racket's balance is even, giving it a neutral feel that allows for versatility in both aggressive and defensive play. The control-oriented nature of the Blackout 300 makes it particularly effective at the net, where its precision helps with volleying and placement. For players who like to attack the baseline with powerful ground strokes, the Blackout 300 delivers solid power, but its control features allow for more nuanced shot making. Overall, the Solinco Blackout 300 is a well-rounded racket suitable for players looking to improve their all-around game, offering an excellent balance of power, control, and spin potential. Its performance is enhanced by the use of advanced materials and construction, making it a great choice for serious tennis enthusiasts looking for a racket that can adapt to a variety of playing styles. Number 5. Best tennis racket for control. The Wilson Pro Staff 97 V14 is a high-performance tennis racket designed for advanced and professional players seeking precision, control, and a traditional feel. With a 97 square inch head, it offers a perfect blend of maneuverability and stability. The racket features a 16x19 string pattern, providing a balance between spin and control, allowing players to generate powerful shots while maintaining accuracy. One of the standout features of the Pro Staff 97 V14 is its updated 45 construction, which uses a unique layup for enhanced feel and flexibility, resulting in improved ball pocketing and comfort during play. The racket's braided graphite and Kevlar composition offers excellent torsional stability and vibration dampening, giving players a responsive and consistent performance. The headlight balance makes the racket agile, allowing for quick reactions at the net, while the stiffness rating of around 65 provides a good mix of power and feel. The Pro Staff 97 V14's weight of around 315 g, unstrung, ensures a solid hit without being overly demanding for intermediate to advanced players, delivering excellent control without sacrificing power. Designed with precision and control in mind, this racket excels in delivering pinpoint accuracy on ground strokes, with a responsive touch on volleys. It's ideal for players who prefer a more classic, low-powered racket with exceptional control, making it a favorite among top-level players and those who have developed a sophisticated playing style. The Wilson Pro Staff 97V14 combines modern technology with the brand's legacy of delivering high-quality, elite-level rackets. It's a top choice for those who prioritize feel and control over raw power.